Kombucha is one of the latest health trends attracting attention across the United States. But does drinking it provide the health benefits as promised? Kombucha is usually made from fermenting black or green tea, which means, like all tea beverages, it will contain beneficial polyphenols, a form of antioxidant that help protect our cells from DNA damage. Since kombucha is fermented, non-pasteurized versions will contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that our digestive system needs to help us stay healthy. In fact, consuming probiotics may help you fend off digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or diarrhea. However, pregnant women, young children, and the elderly should avoid consuming non-pasteurized beverages because those individuals are more susceptible to foodborne illnesses. Kombucha can easily be made at home with a variety of ingredients grown right here in Washington, including apples, blackberries, raspberries, or grapes, and makes for a fun alternative to high-calorie beverages.